This is from Shahjahanpur, 30th March 1957. My dear Vardachari, received your affectionate letters dated 19th, 20th and 21st March 1957. Changes are being undoubtedly made subtly, and I hope and pray that in near future you will feel yourself my very being. You have strongly linked up with me, so you feel peace all the time. I am now clearing the point regarding your Laya Avastha of the Pind Pradesh. Pind is regarded as body. Samyoga Yogam Yoga Sangitam. Samyoga Yogam Yoga Sangitam. This is attachment by detachment by attachment. That should be the principle of in your life or my life, anybody. Detachment by attachment.
Attachment, detachment.
Detachment by attachment. You would get detached with your negative feelings and other things when you get attached to positive feelings. So this is the yoga of detachment by attachment. Samyoga Vyogam Yoga Sangitam. Samyoga Vyogam Yoga Sangitam. That's what Lord Bhagavan Krishna says in Gita. Samyoga Vyogam Yoga Sangitam. Detachment by attachment. Any principle should be made as a principle in life. That will help us a lot. This, you have strongly linked up with me, that is attachment, so you feel peace all the time. I am now clearing the point regarding your Laya Avastha of the Pind Pradesh. Pind is regarded as body. So I use this word in terms of yoga, denoting forgetfulness of the body. It remains continued for a longer time, of course, with so many changes. Laya Avastha in Brahmanda Mandal means to be absorbed in the condition of what one has there. Your cross region after region getting force for this very thing. This spirituality works in bringing Laya Avastha. Laya Avastha of the body first and the soul afterwards. When the body idea is gone, the idea of soul creeps in. When that too is gone, then Laya Avastha is admirably high. What you feel today must be gone tomorrow for something higher. Now I now clear on this point. Am I now clear on this point? I have finished the work. of the centers X, Y, and soon and you are relating the conditions as their outcome. The centers which follow after them will be taken up when you proceed high above the level spiritual for taking up of the subtler ones. My dear Vardacharya, I promise that I will leave no stone unturned. What is possible for me, for your approach? May God help me. I cannot help saying that the idea of cleaning the system prevails only in our samstha. It is of course a very tedious job, but it has grown into mania to me. That's the correct. Cleaning process is not available in any other yogic systems that what is the cleaning. Everybody must do every day cleaning process, especially preferably in the evening. I am attracted to your sentence as you say, I am experiencing profound calm and indrawn condition. Nothing in the world can give me more pleasure than to see my associates progressing spiritually. When I viewed the other sentence of the letter that you feel yourself to be my body, I was reminded to write a sentence more in connection with the Layavastha of Pind Pradesh. This condition that Swamiji experienced a lot in his work, that work is there, book in the book, it is written in the last chapter, where I experienced this, that I feel my body like Sai Baba,
Venkateshwar Swami.
Huh?
Venkateshwar Swami.
Venkateshwar Swami is Sai Baba, Hanuman. It's a common thing that has come to me several times. Yes.
Sai Baba di నాకు కూడా అయింది అలా.
Very good, very good.
లాంగ్ బ్యాక్.
Siddhi Sai Baba, not Siddhi Sai Baba.
సత్య సాయి బాబా. మీకు సత్య సాయి బాబా.
Satya Sai Baba.
నాకు
Not Siddhi Sai Baba. I never felt. Satya Sai Baba. I recorded this long back. When I viewed the other sentence of the letter that you feel yourself to be my body, I was reminded to write a sentence more in connection with Layavastha of Pind Pradesh. I have mentioned somewhere in efficacy of Raj Yoga that an abhyasi after some practice begins to feel his body to be of his master. This is the symptom of Layavastha, which exhausts the feeling of the body to be his own. I must congratulate you for it. May I ask you if you feel your indriyas regulated as a result of touching the centers X, Y and so on. Personally, I feel a thin layer over them, for which I am pondering if it should be torn off at present. I have not yet come to a definite conclusion but it will be done decidedly, if not this time. I am thinking of connecting your link to the spot where you have to jump ultimately, as I have done in a few cases. In this state, your progress cannot be retarded even if I am gone from this world. This is one of the reasons why curvature cannot form in my samstha according to Openski's thought and Sri Ramchandra mission can never come into decay. అనుకో పాపం బట్ మొత్తం పోయింది. నాట్ ఈవెన్ 100 years కాదు, 100sలో పోతే కానీ ఆయన పోయినాగానే అల్టిమేట్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది. కోసకి ఏదో అతని పేరు కూడా మారిపోయింది, ఏదో రాసుకుంది. కష్టం. I will explain them to you by means of diagrams relating their dynamics during my next visit to Tirupati. While I was dictating the above letter, your letter dated 25th March reached me. I think the point which you wanted to know is covered in the above reply of the letter. Remember, you cannot come down. There is absolutely no fear of a fall. అని అంటున్నాను. బట్ రామకృష్ణ పరమహంస ఒకసారి చెప్తుండేది. He gave an example. In spirituality, if he falls down, it is just like throwing a ball from top. So it won't stop until it reaches the bottom of this. That's what Ramakrishna Paramahamsa told. Both are spiritualism. Babuji Maharaj never mentioned Ramakrishna Paramahamsa in his speeches, nowhere in this book, but he mentioned Vivekananda more often. He referred to Vivekananda rather than Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Ramakrishna never mentioned in this book anywhere.
ఒక్క దగ్గర మెన్షన్ చేశాడు, అక్కడ ఏమీ లేదు, కల్కట్టా ఆశ్రమంలా
అన్నాడు. ఇప్పుడు ఏం లేదు అక్కడ, నేను రీఛార్జ్ చేస్తున్నాను అన్నాడు.
చేస్తాను అని అన్నాడు కానీ రిప్లై రాలేదని వదిలేశాడు.
That's not referring to Ramakrishna Paramahamsa's activities are like that. ఆశ్రమం అన్నాడు అంతేగాని. కష్టం, వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్. కాలమహిమ ఎలా ఉంటుందో చెప్పవస్తే ఇంకా కాలుడు వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్. అందుకొరకు దండం పెట్టి భగవంతుడికి ఆయనకే ఒప్పచెప్పారు. ఆయన ఇష్టం ఎలా జరుగుతుంది అలా జరుగుతుంది, మనం ఏం చెప్పదు. కష్టం, వి కాంట్ హెల్ప్ ఇట్. Several places he mentioned, I am not concerned with Vedas. what it is told in Vedas or Upanishads or Rishis. I am not going to say my own personal views and mention చేశాడు. అదే లాలాజీ మాస్ నెవర్. He was respecting the rishis and Sanskrit పండితుడు లాలాజీ మహారాజ్. లాలాజీ మహారాజ్ 1931లో పోయినాడు కదా.
1931.
నేను 1932లో పుట్టా.
అవును, 1 year తర్వాత.
అదే టైం. మహానుభావులు ఏం అనవసరం కాదు. కష్టం స్పిరిచువల్ ఫీల్డ్లో ఏమిటి అన్నది వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్. బట్ టు సే దట్ ఈ డజంట్ బిలీవ్ వేదాస్ అంటే తప్పు. అది రాంగ్ థింగ్. అది బికాజ్ Hinduism based on acknowledging the authority of the Vedas. If you don't acknowledge the Vedas, then you are not a Hindu. అదే తుర్కాళ్ళు అనవసరం కాదు, వాడు చంపేస్తాడు. నేను ఖురాన్లో ఇలా నేను ప్రాఫిట్ నేను ఒప్పుకోనంటే వాడు సంబడి విల్ కమ్ అండ్ కిల్. జరిగిన ఎన్నోసార్లు అది. అదే గొప్పతనం వాళ్ళకు. Remember, you cannot come down. There is absolutely no fear of a fall. You see, that's what I'm question of coming down. Whereas Paramahamsa told this, he come down, this, he come down. Because coming down, falling down are concerned is a mentally. Concern is a mind. Mind means samskaras. Unless samskaras are completely removed, you cannot predict what will happen when they come for bhoga. Because our life has come for realizing the samskaras, prabdha karma samskaras, which has been set by God for this life. This is prabdha karma. They are set for to exist. When they exist, body automatically falls down. So you know that's prabdha karma, sanchita karma, agami karma. So yoga will help us to remove the samskaras of the sanchita karma and agami karma undadu. Yoga చేసేవానికి. Because he is going to free once for all. There is no going coming down again. That means the prabdha karma has to be removed. Remember, you cannot come down. There is absolutely no fear of a fall. Regarding Sri Ishwar Sahe's writing that you should attend to me more and more, I would say in this respect that my God give me strength to attend to you more and more. I shall be happy only when I see my Vardachari in all forms and colors. I have reserved this week for your inner evolution, understanding at the same time that more such weeks will have to be reserved for it. That means he has to give personal attention for a long time, reserved for it. I am glad that my sister is improving in health. వరదాచారి భార్య నేను పోయినప్పుడు ఆమె దగ్గర ఈమె లేకుండే, పోయింది పాపం, లేదు అప్పుడు. Her spiritual condition is that her heart is full of light, and regarding yourself, your whole body is flooded with it. A few days back, I was sitting before my master, receiving his grace. I diverted it a little to you and make you also the co-sharer. I found a minute after the glow of light in your entire body. I was elated with joy to see this scene. With best wishes to you and love to children, convey my pranam to Appaji. Appa and father అన్నమాట. నేను చూశాను, ఐ హ్యావ్ సీన్ హిమ్. హీ వాజ్ దేర్. పాపం కూర్చొని ఉండేవాడు ఇంట్లో పోయిన అప్పాజీ. హీ వాజ్ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ పోలీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్. పోలీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ వర్క్ చేశాడు ఆయన ఫాదర్ చాన్నాడు. షాజహాన్ పర్ యూపీ.
మీకు ఓపిక ఉంటే కూర్చోండి, ఓపిక లేకపోతే ఆపేద్దాం.
నిజంగా ఐఎమ్ ఫీలింగ్ దట్
ఆపేద్దాం.